Hello, my dear BSc 6M Physics students. I am Rudra Manjunath, Associate Professor in Physics, Kottureshwara College, Kottur. Now, I am demonstrating the experiment interplanar spacing of a cubic crystal. Vijayanagara Sri Krishna Devaraya University, Bellary prescribed this experiment to BSc 6M Physics students. This experiment mainly consists of travelling microscope and X-ray film. This is X-ray film. I have 12 points on X-ray film. I am going to call those points as L1, that is first point. Second point is L2, third point is L3, similarly M3, M2, M1, next is M1 dash, M2 dash, M3 dash, R1, R2, R3. Before starting the experiment, first calculate the least count of the travelling microscope. Here, least count of this travelling microscope is 0.001 centimeter. Next, wavelength of X-ray is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter or 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter. First, set this X-ray film under the telescope. Check whether all the points are seen in the microscope or not. If it's not, adjust the film. First, focus the microscope at L1. This is L1. Note down MSR and CVD. Calculate total reading. That total reading is L1. Similarly, focus this telescope on second point. Once again note down MSR and VSR, calculate total reading and call that value as L2. And similarly, focus on third point and calculate L3 and so on up to R3, that is up to last point, that is without disturbing the X-ray film. Tabular column is shown here. Reading of microscope when focused on lines. I made 3 columns here: left, middle, right. L1 I got here 0.23, L2 1.265, that is on third point I got 1.670, I call that one as L3. Fourth point is 6.019, that is M3. Fifth point is 6.476, that is M2. M1 is 7.470. 7 point is 9.520. Its value is 9.520. I am going to call that one as M1 dash. Similarly, M2 dash is equal to 10.433. M3 dash is equal to 10.768. Next, 10th reading is 14.551. I am going to call that one as R3. 11th reading is 14.729. I am going to call that one as R2. Last reading is 15.621. I am going to call that one as R1. Now, calculate capital A M dash plus R by 2, that is 9.520 plus 15.621 by 2, it is 12.570. I am going to call that one as A1 dash. Similarly, 10.433 plus 14.729 by 2 is B1 dash, that is equal to 12.581. C1 dash is equal to 12.660. B value, that is M plus L by 2, that is A1 is equal to 3.850, that is 0.23 divided by 0.23 plus 7.47 by 2, it is 3.850. B1 is equal to 3.87. C1 is equal to 3.844. Next, I calculated O dash is equal to A minus B, or that is W, that is A1 dash minus A1 is equal to 8.720, that is A1 dash minus A1, it is 8.720. Similarly, B1 dash minus B1, it is 8.741. Similarly, C1 dash minus C1 is equal to 8.816. Next, calculate structure factor, that is 2S is equal to A dash minus M or M dash minus B. First, I calculated A1 dash minus M1 is equal to 5.1. B1 dash minus M2 is equal to 6.105. C1 dash minus M3 is equal to 6.641. Next, M1 dash minus A1 is equal to 5.670. M2 dash minus B1 is equal to 6.563. M3 dash minus C1 is equal to 6.924. Next, calculate theta. Theta is equal to 2s pi into 57.296 divided by 2w. First value I got, that is 52.64. Second value 63.083. 67.805 degree. Next, fourth one is 58.528 degrees, 57.816 degrees, 70.701 degrees. Finally, I calculated D, that is interplanar spacing of a cubic crystal, is equal to lambda divided by 2 sine theta. Actually, calculated value is in angstroms, that is first value I got 1.007, second is 0.897, third one is 0.864 angstroms, fourth is 0.938, fifth one 0.863, last one 0.848. I have taken mean of 3 readings, mean of 6, I got 0.901 angstroms. That is final reading is, that is interplanar spacing of a cubic crystal, D is equal to 0.901 angstroms. Okay, thank you students.